How to search someone on Instagram by image. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can search someone on Instagram by image. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. But first of all, we have to understand that Instagram does not have the direct built-in feature that will help you search for your account through the image. However, there are some alternatives that you can try. So for that, you can use Google reverse image search, which will allow you to search for similar images across the internet, including Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media platforms. If the person has used the image somewhere publicly, you might be able to find their Instagram profile. So if you're on your mobile device, you can either open up the Google Photos or Google Search application in order to access the Google Lens. So for now, we will just head towards with the Google. And in the Google, next to the search bar, there you will have this camera icon or the image icon. So you have to tap on it. So that is basically the lens that you can use in order to search someone with the image. Tap on it and then you have to select the image that you want to search for it. Once you select the image, tap on search button and check for the Instagram links in the result. But here, if the person has never posted that image publicly, it won't appear. And also private Instagram accounts won't show up in search results. So in this case, Google search works best for the image that is used on website or public social media post. So in this way, you can search for someone's Instagram account using their image if the account is public. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.